Dear students, today I am going to discuss first law of thermodynamics. Okay. First, we know that internal energy. What is the meaning of internal energy? What is the meaning of internal energy? Internal energy, nothing but the kinetic energy plus potential energy of the gas. Internal energy of a gas is defined as sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy of the gas. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం తీసుకున్న గ్యాస్ ఐడియల్ గ్యాస్ అనుకోండి. ఐడియల్ గ్యాస్ అనుకోండి, ఓకేనా? ఎప్పుడు మనం తీసుకునే గ్యాస్ ఏంటి? ఐడియల్ గ్యాస్. ఇన్ ద kinetic energy indicate molecular motion. Potential energy indicate interaction between the molecules in the gas. Internal energy of the gas defined as sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy indicate molecular motion. Potential energy indicate molecular interaction. Potential energy indicate molecular interaction. Molecular interaction. Okay? Ideal gas means there is no interaction between molecules. No interaction means potential energy becomes zero. Simply internal energy is nothing but the kinetic energy. Okay? Here what is the formula for kinetic energy? Of mu v square rms. In the gases, rms velocity formula is 3 r t by capital M. Nana VRMS ante under root V square kabatti square and root cancel. According to this situation, internal energy directly proportional to temperature. According to this relation, temperature increases, internal energy increases. Temperature decreases, internal energy decreases. Simply internal energy directly proportional to temperature. Next, I discuss work done. We know that in the chapter work done formula I discussed in the last week. Work done denoted by dW. dW formula is PdV. Here P indicate pressure, dV indicate change in volume. What is the change in volume formula? Pressure into change in volume means final volume minus initial volume. Okay? For example, gas expand అనుకుందాం నన్ను. For example, gas expand అనుకుందాం. gas expand అయితే వాల్యూమ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇది 5 ఉంది అనుకోండి ఇనీషియల్గా, తర్వాత 7 అవుతుంది. 7 మైనస్ 5 2. గ్యాస్ ఎక్స్పాండ్, వర్క్ డన్ టేకెన్ యాజ్ పాజిటివ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గ్యాస్ కాంట్రాక్ట్, గ్యాస్ కాంట్రాక్ట్, ఓఆర్ఆర్ కంప్రెస్. గ్యాస్ ఈజ్ కంప్రెస్ మీన్స్ ఏదైనా ఇది 5 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంటుంది. 3 minus 5 minus 2. That means work done becomes negative. Okay? Now today I discuss the important topic, first law of thermodynamics. Look here now. First law of thermodynamics. In the situation, this is the vessel, Nana. This is the vessel containing a piston. Look here. Nana, this is the cylindrical vessel, Nana. This vessel containing a piston, Nana. This vessel containing a gas, Nana. Look here, Nana. This is the cylindrical vessel vessel containing a piston. Here gas is there. In the chapter, gas is nothing but the system. Here I supply heat supply. ఎప్పుడైతే హీట్ సప్లై చేసావో గ్యాస్ టెంపరేచర్ ఏమవుతుందన్న ఇంక్రీజ్. టెంపరేచర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది అంటే నానా దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇంటర్నల్ ఎనర్జీ ఇంక్రీజ్. నెక్స్ట్ నానా బికాస్ ఆఫ్ హీటింగ్ గ్యాస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్పాండ్. Expansion means volume change. Volume change is nothing but the work done. Simply heat supplied. Okay, here temperature of the gas increase and gas also expand. That means heat supplied to the system. This can be utilized for two purposes. One is to change the internal energy and another one is external work done. What is the first law of thermodynamics formula? dq equal to dq equal to du plus dw. Heat supplied to the system can be utilized for two purposes. Heat supplied to the system can be utilized for two purposes. One is to change the internal energy, another one is external work done. Okay, look here now. Heat supplied to the system to change the internal energy and external work done. This is called first law of thermodynamics. Here heat is a form of energy. This also energy. According to this situation, energy neither be converted nor be destroyed, but energy transfer one form to other form. Once again I repeat, energy neither be created nor be destroyed. Energy converted one form to other form. That means first law of thermodynamics is the special case of law of conservation of energy. What is the law of conservation of energy? According to this theorem, energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but energy converted one form to other form. Here heat energy can be utilized for two purposes. One is to change the internal energy and another one is external work done. Okay, look here Nana. Next Nana in the first law of thermodynamics is the special case of law of conservation of energy. Now to solve some problems, to be follow some sign conventions. Look here, sign conventions. What is the first sign convention? Heat supplied to the system. To solve the problems, to be follow some sign conventions. Heat supplied to the system. Look here, this is the gas provided a piston. Here heat is given to the system. In this situation, dq taken as positive. Heat supplied to the system. In this situation, dq is positive. Next heat taken from the system. Heat taken from the system. Look here heat taken from the system. That means here ఇందాక ఏం చేసాం, heat is given to the system. Second situation ఏంటి, heat releases from system. Heat release చేసింది అనుకో, In this situation, dq taken as negative. Nana, to solve the problems, heat supplied to the system dq is positive. Heat released from the system dq is negative. Okay, third one. Increase the internal energy. Increase the internal energy taken as. Increase the internal energy. Increase the internal energy. That means du is positive. Again, decrease the internal energy. That means internal energy increase and du in this call positive. Decrease the internal energy in the situation du taken as negative. Okay? Now, increase the internal energy. Then in this situation du taken as positive. Decrease the internal energy du taken as negative. These four sign conventions to be followed. And again 2 also I write, look here. Fifth convention, work done by the gas. Its meaning is here gas expand. In this situation dW taken as positive. Expansion of gas, volume increase, work done becomes positive. Work done on the gas, in the situation gas is compressed. In the situation dW taken as negative. Once again I repeat these 6 sign conventions. Heat supplied to the system. To the system heat ఇచ్చామనుకో dq can be taken as positive. Heat taken from the system dq taken as negative. Internal energy increase du positive. Internal energy decrease du negative. Next work done by the gas positive. Work done on the gas negative. Okay, these 6 sign conventions to be followed to solve the first law of thermodynamics problems. And today I send assignment also, please check. Okay.